In this video we're gonna use our secret Black Friday preset bonus pack to make a drum and bass banger. So right now our Black Friday sales are running with 40% off on every pack in the shop with code BLACK. Besides that, if your order value is above 40 euros, you'll get this free preset pack as well. It's a really sick pack, made by Reese. He's a really sick guy on Instagram. Make sure to give him a follow as well. He works on a lot of Sonance packs. This pack is honestly the next level. The pack is focused on drum and bass house. So in this video we're gonna make a quick drum and bass drop with other presets from the pack. First we need to bump up the BPM to 175. I can't do 170 anymore because of this comment. So for the samples we'll be using our UK business pack, which of course is discounted as well with a code BLACK. First drop in a kick and place a second kick right here. Then drop in a clap snare. Just like this. Basic drum and bass rhythm. Turn it into a 4-bar loop and spice it up with a head loop. Let's use this one. And then route them out to a mixer channel and bus them to a drum bus. First got the levels right, so kick around -5. Just like this. Do them together with some compression. But bring out the transient as well. The transient shaper. Just something like this. Then I want to add in just a little bit of distortion. Just a small amp around here. Yeah, just like this. Duplicate it and make a small drum fill for the last 2 bars. Like this. And a little snare fill as well. Yeah, that's solid. Make sure to give it a sidechain to get a kick pumping. Yeah, that's a dope fill. And then drop in and then a smell as well to finish off the fill. Giving this effect. So that's it for drums. We got the drums ready, so now it's time to dive in the bass. So let's open up the preset pack. Right here. Honestly got insane basses in there. Yeah, I want to use this one. A cool facing, solid kind of bass. Just like this. Just drop it in. I think the drop would have more impact when we remove the drums, or just keep the first hit. Let's do some more mixing, maybe some distortion, will do the job. Volume is fluctuating a little bit, so compress it. Yeah, we can also automate a mod wheel. Something like this, I think. Then we're gonna drop in a wubble. So duplicate the Serum. I really like this sound in the pack, so let's drop it in the root note. And mix it. Again, some distortion. And we're also gonna set up a sidechain channel right here. We're gonna route all the basses to it. And we're gonna manually do the sidechain, so create a 40 balance. Automation clip. And just duck it whenever the kick is playing. Just like this. bit too much, so do it like this. So that's a solid start for the drop. Now I think I want to drop in a reese or a rolling bass. We can use this one. And shorten the decay a little bit. And create a rolling MIDI like this. Yeah, that's really solid. Quite dark for the low ends. We also need to clean up the low ends because we have the bass playing now. Otherwise it will overlap. Which means we can also give the wobble a little bit of reverb. That's better. And a bit of delay. Yeah, that's way better. And then just copy over the low ends right here. So that's the foundation of the bass. Now we're gonna add in a lead sound. So now we're gonna continue with the drum and bass lead. So again, drop in another Serum from the pack. And head over to the lead section. This one sounds insane, so let's create a new pattern. And work on the MIDI. Some octave switches. Up to the dissonant note. Then down to the 7th. Yeah, that's catchy. Really like it, so place it right here. And mix it. First write it to the sidechain. And remove the low end. Bit of harshness over here. Little bit of OTT. And some delay and reverb. Just like this, a bit more decay. So altogether the lead sounds like this. So now we're gonna work on 2 fills right after 8 bars. So right over here. Again with another Serum preset. Just search for bass sounds. Let's go for this one, first one in the pack. Yeah, that's solid. Bass needs a little bit more sustain. So I think I want to go for this one. And mix it slightly different to get a different sound. This one could use a kickstart because the kick hits at every beat. Yeah, perfect. So place it right here. It's a really dope fill, so let's keep it like this, duplicate it, and turn it into a 16 bar loop. We can drop back in the drums, like this, for the second part. And it's really solid. I really like how it's turning out so far, so then the only thing that's left to do is create another fill right here. I want to go for a reese kind of fill. Yeah, this one could work. Let's shape the MIDI. Starting on the root note. And overlapping notes. On the dissonant, octave up. And then finish on the 7th note. And I think we need some more. Yeah, just like this. Some more octave switches. Then just drop it in and see how it sounds. Timing is a bit off, so tweak it. Yeah, just around here. And then tweak the mod wheel as well. giving this effect. And then to finish off the drop, I want to add some more ambience and effects to it, just to fill up the background a little bit more. And pitch it in key in D minor. So this one needs to be one up and a really low volume. So that's it for the drum and bass drop. I think it turned out really dope. So if you want to check out the Black Friday deals, it's linked down below. 40% off everything in store with the code BLACK. Besides that, you will get this pack for free when you spend more than 40 euros in the shop. I will link the pack in the description as well, so make sure to check it out. Besides that, if you like the video, please drop a like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and see you all in the next videos.
Switch.